In yesterday's video, we learned about five elements of financial statement, and now today we will learn about balance sheet. Now, this is the most valuable of all the three statement: balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow statement. Okay. Now, this is how the balance sheet looks like, and it is separated by simply asset and liability. Asset on the one side and liability on the other side. Now, in our last video, we learned that asset is equal to liability plus equity. Okay, that is liability, and now plus shareholders, that is equity. Okay, now what is asset? Asset is simply it represents the amount a business owns or maybe substantially control in the form of economic value. Okay, and now liability is the amount a business owes to creditors or business. Okay, now this is important: creditors. And what is equity? Now, equity represents the amount a business owes to owners of the business. We can say that it represents the amount owner put directly into the business, or maybe this is the prior earning that is not paid to the owner. Simple, right? Now, balance sheet shows all of its balances on the cumulative basis, unlike our profit and loss statement.